guys, this is Amy and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you the unboxing of Euphorbia September edition, and this is how the bag looks like. It's a super cute owl bag. I'm in total love with how this bag is. It of course comes in a cardboard box like always. Let's just open it up and see what all is in there. The first thing you see obviously is this info card which says you are gold baby, solid gold, and you have the product in it as well, the product list. The first thing that you get in this is this gold face pack, and it is from Magic Dust, and it says it's fresh and natural, and you get about 50 gram in this. Cost about 990 rupees, and you're getting it in this box for so cheap. I have to try it out to actually know if it is good enough or not. But how to use this: apply this face pack as a thick layer all over the face and the neck, avoid the area around the eyes, and wait till semi dryness of the face pack and remove it with wet cotton, just like we do for every face pack. It smells pretty good, to be very honest, but it's just like some cream. It's more like a white mask, not gold mask, but let's just see how it looks on the hand. It has a really nice consistency. As you guys can see, it's not gonna blend, so you're not supposed to blend it to your skin. Just apply it and keep it on for about 10 to 20 minutes, and then you just have to wash it off. So the next item that you're gonna get is this blush stick, and I'm really excited for this one because it's the first time that they have done something like this, or they have added something like this. So it's basically, you can use it for lip tint as well as for the blush tint. The shade that I got is the shade Coral Pink number 2. But if you do subscribe to this box for like about 3 or 6 or even 12 months or 9 months, whatever, then you're gonna get a shade choice for what shade you want. They have 3 shades in total. This one is one of them, and then they have 2 pink and red kind of shades as well with them. But if you do subscribe just for 1 month, then you're gonna get a random blush stick. So yeah, this is how it is, and when you open it up, this is how it looks like. It looks quite thick, and it has about this much in it, so it does give a really nice coral tint, and you guys can see it blends really well into the skin as well. So yeah, it is quite good for the blush, and this one cost about 399. The next product is Mond'Sub Skin Beauty Collagen Lip Mask, which unfortunately didn't come in my bag. So yeah, we don't have the collagen lip mask. Maybe they forgot to add it in, but that is something which is quite disappointing on their side, because they should be really careful as to what they are adding, in the mask, in the bag. So they might have forgotten about it, or it might have got misplaced or something like that. I'm pretty sure it's a mistake, because it has never happened to me before. So yeah, this time it happened, and the Skin Beauty Collagen Lip Mask was about 200 rupees. So you guys are gonna get that lip mask for sure, I hope. So yeah, though, that is it. The third product I did not get, so I can't really review it or tell you guys what it is about or how to use it. So I'll just move on to the fourth product, which is this. That is a pair of earrings. I really love such earrings because I don't really like the tassel earrings. So when I see such earrings, I do get a little excited about, and my sister gets excited about as well, because she just loves collecting earrings. And when she saw these, so yeah, she was quite happy about these as well. And this is how it looks like. So yeah, this is how it is. The only thing that I don't like is that they used metal in it. It's kind of like that, and it already is getting rusty at the top. It really doesn't look like a really good product to me. So yeah, it's just for, like, if you do get a nice piece, it's okay. If you don't get a nice piece, it's just your bad luck. So yeah, this is how it is, and this is how it's gonna look like. And this one costs about 245 rupees. So yeah, that concludes the bag, and I hope you guys like in all these products. If you want to get subscribed to this box, the link will be in the description box, so you can go check it out there. And also the details of these products I do mention in the description box. If you if you do miss out here, or if you don't understand everything what I say, the description box contains all the details about the products. So yeah, do check it out there. And yeah, that is it, guys. I hope you like this unboxing. If you do, make sure that you hit that like button, share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel that is right over here. And do hit that notification bell button as well, and I would really appreciate that. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.